This is the I Wish I Was Home Deluxe Cash Register. This is a 19-piece set. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, so it includes one cash register, one shopping basket, 4 boxes of play food, 1 credit card, 6 pieces of play money, and 6 coins. Let's see what's inside.
Hi everybody! Today we're opening the Deluxe Cash Register. Let's see what's in it. The shopping basket. Then here's where you put the scanner. Have to put that on. And here's the register. Then here's the register. Here's the food. Here's the cookies. Here's the cereal. Here's the milk. Here's the credit card. Here's the dollars and the change. Now let's see how it works. This is the microphone. I'll take the next person, please. This is the scale. And then the person comes up with the food. Then puts the basket on. Then there's the cart. Milk. Then you take this, then you find where to scan it, right here. Then you scan it, put it in a basket. Scan it, put it in a basket. That's up to $5. Okay, I'll give you $5. Thank you. And here's your basket. Thank you. Then the next person walks up. He takes the milk, the cereal, and the cookies. And then he walks in, and then he's the other person. And then hello. Okay, let's see what you got. 2 milk. Okay. Now we have some cereal and some cookies. Okay, now you find where it tells you. $10, please. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'll give you $10. Okay, get your $10. Thank you. And we put it in there. Then give it back. And then another person walks in. Put it on here. Oh, hello. Then he takes it. Time where you scan it. Puts it back in there. Scans the cookies. Then that's up to, let's see, $5. Okay. Thank you. Okay. And here's your stuff. Thank you. So there you have it, the deluxe cash register. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!